Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video I will explain how to replace your Toyota 4Runner door handle. This is a common repair that you can easily do yourself with the right approach. First, you will need to gather a few essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, a T30 Torx bit, and a set of plastic trim removal tools. Remember, safety first. Always disconnect your vehicle's negative battery cable before beginning any electrical work. Now, let's get started on removing the old handle. Begin by carefully prying off any trim pieces covering screws or clips on the interior door panel. Use your plastic trim tools to avoid scratching the paint or damaging the plastic. Once the panel is loose, gently disconnect any electrical connectors and the two door cables. Finally, locate and remove the one or two screws holding the exterior door handle in place, then carefully slide it out. With the old handle removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully slide the new exterior door handle into its position, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reconnect the control rods and cables to the new handle, making sure they are securely latched. Then, reinsert and tighten the one or two mounting screws to hold the handle firmly in place. Finally, reconnect all electrical connectors and the two door cables to the interior door panel. You're almost done. Now, carefully align the interior door panel and push it back into place, ensuring all clips snap securely. Reinstall any trim pieces and screws you removed earlier. Once everything is reassembled, reconnect your vehicle's negative battery cable. Finally, thoroughly test the new door handle's operation, both inside and out, and verify that the door lock mechanism works correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your door handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.